Hey friends, if you wish to fix the issue where transparency effects are not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So here's what you have to do. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. And then you can go to the personalization tab on the list on the left hand side. Select colors. Now there is a switch for transparency effects. This should be on. See what will happen if I turn it off. Transparency effects are gone. If you turn it on, it will be back. The next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The last solution will be to update the graphics card drivers. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager. Right click on the start button, select update drivers. Right click on this second driver and then update it as well. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.